In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start digital marketing for beginners? Well, make sure you stay tuned and listen to the next few minutes of this video carefully, because I am going to give you a step-by-step plan and give you strategies which can help you start digital marketing even if you're starting from square one. My objective is to clear the confusion about the tactics that work and how to use them to grow your business. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay attention to the things that I will be sharing with you. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you, so let's dive in. So let me start by telling you the basics of what digital marketing is for an online business. Digital marketing is the act of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. When you get down to it, digital marketing is simply marketing. It's how today's businesses are getting their message in front of their best prospects and customers. Rule number one in marketing is to make the right offer at the right time and in the right place. Today your customers are online, hanging out in social media, staying updated on news sites and blogs, and searching online when they have a need. Digital marketing puts you in those same channels, so your best prospects can see you, learn more about you, and even ask questions to learn more about you and your products or services. If you're new to digital marketing, it may feel overwhelming to think about mastering all the online marketing tactics used in digital marketing. I understand that. And yes, there are different tactics you'll need to learn, but they all work together to create a foundation for your business, attracting prospects, nurturing relationships, and making offers your audience will appreciate and respond to. Let's take a closer look at how that happens. Let me now tell you how digital marketing works. In many ways, digital marketing is no different than traditional marketing. In both, smart organizations seek to develop mutually beneficial relationships with prospects, leads, and customers. But digital marketing has replaced most traditional marketing tactics because it's designed to reach today's consumers. Let me give you an example. Think about the last important purchase you made. Perhaps you purchased a home, hired someone to fix your roof, or changed paper suppliers at your office. Regardless of what it was, you probably began by searching the internet to learn more about available solutions, who provided them, and what your best options were. Your ultimate buying decision was then based on the reviews you read, the friends and family you consulted, and the solutions, features, and pricing you researched. Most purchasing decisions begin online. That being the case, an online presence is absolutely necessary regardless of what you sell. The key is to develop a digital marketing strategy that puts you in all the places your followers are already hanging out, then using a variety of digital channels to connect with them in a multitude of ways. Content to keep them updated with industry news, the problems they're facing, and how you solve those problems. Social media to share that content and then engage with them as friends and followers. Search engine optimization, SEO, to optimize your content so it will show up when someone is searching for the information you've written about. Advertising to drive paid traffic to your website where people can see your offers. And email marketing to follow up with your audience to be sure they continue to get the solutions they're looking for. When you put all these pieces together, you'll end up with an efficient, easy to operate digital marketing machine. And while it looks intimidating to build that machine from scratch, it's as simple as learning and integrating one digital marketing tactic at a time. I am now going to tell you some of the key benefits of digital marketing. Here we go. Having a strong digital presence will help you in multiple ways. It will make it easier to create awareness and engagement both before and after the sale. It will help you convert new buyers into raving fans who buy more and more often. It will kickstart word of mouth and social sharing and all the benefits that come with them. It will shorten the buyer's journey by presenting the right offers at the right time. You can learn the strategies that get real results. Be aware the digital marketing scene is ever changing. Gurus, podcasts and bloggers declare a tool or tactic hot one week and dead the next. The truth is, digital marketing is less about digital and more about marketing, largely because digital marketing has come of age. Its fundamentals have already been established. I will now tell you about some of the core disciplines and give you a step-by-step plan to follow to help you start digital marketing. Here we go. Here is the first step, your digital marketing strategy template, aka the customer value journey. This is where digital marketing begins and ends, with a customer value journey that strategically builds a relationship with new prospects and converts them into loyal repeat customers. This journey is the process every prospect goes through to become a new customer. It's how strangers become buyers and eventually raving fans of your business. The hard truth is that marketing is not a one-step process. If you understand this digital marketing strategy, aka the customer value journey, then you can intentionally engineer your business in such a way that it moves people predictably through the stages in this template. In other words, you'll no longer wonder if you'll be able to generate leads. You won't have to cross your fingers and hope for customers. When you understand the customer value journey, even reviews and referrals will become automatic. The customer value journey is the strategic foundation of everything that you should do. It's the master template upon which every other digital marketing discipline and tactic is built. The job of marketing is to move prospects and customers seamlessly and subtly through each phase of the customer value journey. Step 1. Awareness. Before someone can buy from you, they have to realize you exist, right? Well, that's step 1 in the customer value journey. This step is pretty self-explanatory. It's where the person becomes aware of you. After all, nobody is born knowing who Apple or Amazon are. At some point, they have to become aware of these companies if they are to become a customer. The same thing is true of your business. Let me give you some examples of marketing that generates awareness. There are any number of ways a prospect could become aware of your company, business, products and services. Here are 3 possible scenarios. A father of 2 sees an advertisement for a new children's summer camp on Facebook. An office manager searches Google to find a new coffee supplier. And a college student watches an Instagram video of her friend raving about a new brand of noise-cancelling headphones. If at any point you want to advance your online marketing skills with step-by-step online training with experts to learn and understand internet marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the marketing skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Trust me, it will change your online marketing life like nothing else. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. To improve awareness of your business, you need to implement specific marketing tactics. I suggest that you master or become an expert in one of the following areas: digital advertising, search marketing, content marketing, or social media marketing. Here is the next step: engagement. Your prospect is now aware of you. They know who you are, but you're still in the early stages of a relationship with them. They don't yet know you, like you, or trust you. So the next step is to start developing relationship with your prospect. Step 2, engagement, is where you start conversing with your prospects. You engage them through some form of content that provides entertainment, information, or both. Engagement is something that must continue throughout the customer journey. It's not something you do once and move on. I will now give you some examples of marketing that generates engagement. Engagement typically comes in the form of content or community. Here are a few examples to get the ideas flowing for your business. A grandfather of 5 receives an email newsletter from his financial advisor detailing several ways to save for a child's college tuition while reducing taxes. The owner of a boutique wine store becomes active in a Facebook community for wineries and other wine retailers. A new mother watches a YouTube video from Johnson & Johnson showing her how to give her baby a bath. To improve the engagement that your business receives, I suggest that you get better at the following digital marketing tactics, which include content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Let me give you the next step, which is subscribe. At this point, your prospect knows who you are and has engaged with you in some way or another. However, if you fail to get that person's contact information, the odds are high you'll never hear from them again. Because people today are inundated with marketing and content, creating a scarcity of attention. Just because someone reads one of your blog posts today does not mean they'll remember to revisit your site in the future. Instead, you need to get that person to progress to step 3 in the value journey, which is to subscribe. Here, the person gives you their contact information and in doing so grants you permission to contact them again in the future. Most often, this transaction is an exchange, sometimes referred to as an ethical bribe. You promote a valuable offer, but instead of asking for money, you ask for the prospect's contact information. And when they give it to you, not only do you give them access to the content, product, or service you promised, you also add them to your subscriber list. Let me give you some examples of marketing that generates subscribers. The biggest criteria for your free offer is that your target audience finds it valuable. Here are some examples from a variety of industries. A young professional signs up for a webinar presented by a local realtor about the best practices of purchasing a first home. A college girl fills out a form on a blog to receive a free sample of a new face cream. The human resources manager at a mid-sized accounting firm signs up for a demo of a new application he can use to manage the hiring of new employees. To get more subscriptions for your online business, you need to be highly skilled with a few different digital marketing tactics. These include content marketing, email marketing, digital advertising, and conversion rate optimizations. Let me ask you a question. Which tip from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start digital marketing even as a beginner. If you want more help with internet marketing with step-by-step flexible online learning with industry experts, go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. Trust me, it will change your online marketing life like nothing else. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video now and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.